To get started with your Ring camera setup, open the Ring app on your mobile device. From there, tap on Setup Device and select Security Cameras from the menu. Next, power on your device. If your camera model uses a battery, make sure to insert it fully. Once powered, the camera should automatically enter setup mode. The next step is to scan the QR code to pair your device. You can find this code on the back of the camera, inside the battery compartment, or on the included setup guide. If the QR code does not scan properly, simply tap Setup without scanning in the app. You will then be prompted to enter the setup pin manually to proceed. Press and hold the setup button on the camera until the light starts spinning. This indicates that your camera is ready to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, connect your phone to the temporary Ring Wi-Fi network shown in your device's settings, usually labeled as Ring 4X. Once connected, return to the Ring app. Continue the setup by selecting your home Wi-Fi network from the list. For the most reliable connection, we recommend choosing a 2.4 GHz network. Wait for the firmware update to complete. It is important that you do not unplug the camera or close the app during this time to ensure the update installs correctly. Your setup is now complete. Open the live view in the app to test your video, audio, and motion alerts. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more smart home tips.